In this video, you'll learn how to fix the Claude Code installation error by adjusting permissions and running the official installer. You will go through a series of commands in PowerShell to ensure a successful installation. Begin by opening PowerShell on your computer. You can do this by searching for PowerShell in the Start menu. Once the application appears, click on it to launch the PowerShell interface. This is where you will enter the necessary commands to resolve the installation issue. To allow the installation script to run, you need to modify the execution policy. Type the command set execution policy -scope current user -execution policy remote sign -force into the PowerShell window. This command enables the execution of scripts that are downloaded from the internet, ensuring that the installation script can run without any permission issues. After entering the command, press the enter key. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the policy has been successfully changed. Next, you will run the official installer to download and install Claude automatically. Copy and paste the command name https://claude.ai/inst. This command retrieves the installation script from the specified URL and executes it immediately. After pressing enter, you may see progress messages as the installation proceeds. It is important to wait for these messages to complete to ensure that the installation is successful. Once the installation is complete, you need to refresh and test the installation. Close the current PowerShell window and open a new one. Type Claude-version in the new window. This command checks if Claude has been installed correctly. If you encounter a message saying command not found, it indicates the PowerShell cannot locate the Claude program. To resolve this issue, you will need to explicitly add the installation path to PowerShell. Type the command $end, path + $end, US file, local bin into the PowerShell window and press enter. This command appends the directory where Claude is installed to your system's path variable, allowing PowerShell to recognize the command. After entering this command, you can try typing Claude-version again to confirm that the installation was successful. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.